When a large language model gives you something unexpected, it's often your prompt, not the model, that needs adjustment. In this video, we'll cover how to avoid ambiguity. Large language models are sensitive to language that humans overlook. A vague prompt like, "write a report on dogs," could mean a general overview, a behavioral analysis, or a comparison of breeds. Instead, you should specify, write a 3-page report comparing the behavior of golden retrievers and German shepherds. Use formal tone. Note in this prompt that we follow some tips for clarity. You should be explicit about the format, tone, and scope. You should avoid pronouns with unclear reference. And don't assume the model shares your context. Spell it out. Also, watch for nested instructions like summarize and critique. Use delimiters like a series of single or double quotes to mark your content. When in doubt, make your prompt more specific. Clear input leads to clearer output.